Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. I will disclose everything at an appropriate time. Leader Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. Meghalaya Transport Minister Daskiat Lamare admits the financial hardship faced by the commercial vehicles. People's Democratic Front expresses concern over decline of Nehu. Himamaliam to reopen shops in Ribhoi district from the 1st of October. And now the news in detail. I will disclose everything at an appropriate time, says leader of the opposition Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. Speaking to the media, he said he has read the media speculation about his short disappearance and would not like to say anything about that, as the media have their own sources and are also in position to analyze things.
See, as you follow the whole development as unfolded, I think to some extent you already have, because you all are capable of being analytical on any development that unfolds. And you have that capability, you have that strength, which I do not have. So even without being told, many of the things you already know, and you have a mechanism, you have an inherent system to get into things and be analytical, because I see most of you write sources, I don't know where the sources are, we don't get those sources, So the access that you have to inputs and informations, I think we must appreciate. I appreciate that. See, it is natural. It is natural because I have friends all across. Different political parties, and whether within the state or outside the state, we have known each other for a long time. And I have had the privilege of knowing many people. So it is a natural thing. But then what is important is to see that to whichever party we belong to, we first try to strengthen that party. And the purpose of strengthening that party is to ensure that that party is capable of providing us the platform, a platform with a strong foundation to be able to do justice to the responsibility that we assume upon ourselves as elected representatives. And therefore, the whole purpose of being in a political party revolves around, taking care of the interests of the people. And anything that handicaps us, we must address them.
Meghalaya Transport Minister Daskiat Lamare today admitted that the commercial vehicles were facing financial hardship during the COVID-19 pandemic. Speaking to the media, Lamare said the commercial vehicles had to pay various taxes despite poor earning during the pandemic. He said, from his side, he will try to find out ways to lessen their problems.
Local taxi jongi teki la jinjar bai bupli hoi ki bon na constituency jongaro ki bon na ki wei constituency ro ki balte ki perlok ki wan ki ot te ngirong isu thu ba ka jing siu ka don re ka jing kamai bat kaduna kamlong kaduna sisa kan te ngiru ngaro kamtam kumu representative jong ka state le ka constituency jong ngin pet ko ngi kani pat ngin persangkat bala ban wat kalat kelti ba ki nongnya taxi jongiru kinlong ki basuk ban siuro ban sup ban kamairo kata kata gitu andre menta banong ipi kano solution ke bangi ni mur ban le tanga nampat dan kano solution andre ingin nyapai interest tom nam kata ko kong ngila ban penyan mo ngila ban penyan andre kamen ke result ke result ke bangi ngin yo namar ngin tip mo ngin tip ba lari niat kat kum ka number kepala register te ka de banong equal ke mo odd kata, even kata, dan ipej ya kajing long ke registration kan, nrai ha ka reality pada ha kajing sisa pada ha kajing long haman la kasni, te kano telu even bami kano telu orang me ngip te ngihaban pe ya result, kumbangi imanta kane kajing punya odd even odd kaya rap kendet, mo, te sakatu kani kaniat ngipej kalong kumno menta kumbalong mentamo kane ka situation jongiro kala kamlong normal khliat ngalong pi bon ki SOP ki bro ki bot ki don hang tu ki follow ki SOP te habede ba ka traffic pat ngin pe ek result ko mo mentar nginang persang manwat ki wei lau ti sagi wei jela ki bon jat ki strategy ki baki ki penon kam bon jat ki strategy ki baki ki penon kam ban is ya ka traffic jogi imde tang ko odd even ki bon jat te hang na rong
The members of Maushaboj Executive Committee met the East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner, MDC Pinyat Singh Siem, Meghalaya Minister Sanbor Shulai and officials of 58 GTC Assam Rifles and others. The meeting decided that there should be a joint inspection including shifting of the Assam Rifle Gate from the present location. Earlier, the people of Maushaboj had faced many problems from the paramilitary forces while passing through these gates.
Party kalung pite ba po ka defense authority hakari bro ko de ki paul lak tli file te kinunu shiti bu shu pa kam tu plasu tu te mban singa le de level lo jong te kamut pej mentangi la yo ko official directive na po defense po UDEO defense estate officer ka ba ko office ka na po Guwahati da ko accordingly kaya pentip ya kan bagi saya buat kan ya joint inspection tekaladan ki meeting mentan tega ba mentah kasengi kalau betik ba nagaliang jong ki official juga jong ka DO office ke Belawan mentah kila appointment kila yawan mentah kila tip temur kita sedang mentau no yang jingjrong kat no mitar kan sim nangat kamin git man chef hang ne ru hang ne hadit te but kini report baru nagaliang jong kini ki official kita forward support DO the accordingly nang to officially kita sapa support Ministry of Defense ya kabangi jointly mga local MDC do dorwas dong lagna ka poy uput pat baladep ya ka report kan poy percedeli ha final stage te ingin select lang pat ingin siya penbet lang bang elect ba ngin yo ngin try our level best ngin persang nang benta ka jing biang jongki ngai pat ba ka jing kuat pat ba will try our level best ba kani ka kam kan urlong kan seso te at this stage menta ka sa pada po ka di DO office ngila ya pej ngila ya depth inspection joint inspection tigikin sal le ya ka measurement kan ata na ta nagaliang jong ka 58 GTC ki komandan deputy komandan ki shu assure yang akhbar jonga ba kamdon sukono no ka ki la report ba kamdon sukono but ki assure ngaru ngakerpat iki ba mut army un percaya civilian kan percaya army kai ka message ka ba nga request ya ka meeting kalong ba ki army no civilian ngi di briu hi la ni thau to no way u blay la persat mesin to no way kala pon long ki kamtam le ki army ki dei ka job tu ki kalong ban protect e gari ban protect e ai de kalong ka strat ba ka di ekran ro mengelawan hi teradi ru kala kapya ba te hopefully kaba very soon gikin pendep yang ka report the measurement kajing yang ka map kana tai regarding the shifting of main gate but hadin juga tagin saya lihat berangkam tinggi ni saya follow up.
The people of Mauhati area and Ribhoi district today said they will make a final decision at the meeting to be held on the 9th of October on the dilapidated condition of the 80 kilometers long Umsning-Umsiang road in Mauhati area. This decision was taken at the meeting of headmen, office bearers of Mauhati Area Local Taxi Association, youths and others in consultation with the Hnyotrab Achik National Movement Ribhoi District Zone. The meeting demanded that the state government should immediately repair this road as it has become unmotorable. The meeting lamented that it takes around 2 hours for the vehicles to cover a distance of 40 kilometers.
Minister mana minister yang Yudi Ndrei haka jing yalong paipa mong ilasim je kuwi senjam bagla peniru haus nem arjana kendai bagi train dan meramat no yang ketik surok dalade da kata skim lade no skim UA kapala su IA yang boleh ila su repair untuk menentai tanpa kesorkar kan ini Ndrei kesorkar kam cimla le IA kam cim sengat kalau penpan kumu mau jentut lada kamdan kata kajing trilang baru paipa ada ni suyaki tang tumba nakaliang kino andre wat nakaliang jumi ki perangai barkali nakaliang ka semua association andre abangi ni khot yaki ni wer yaki bani trilang andre awan kata kajing snow bom wa burom no kajing wa burom ka ba kimla ro ban ai kubor haki paipa lana ki perangai bar juki jadi kata nakaliang jumi la persangi karena katya kan bai midon ibu ibor ban le yang kam re kampoi sei ni sidon tak kajing sedang rek kepun.
a political party belonging to the People Democratic Front, today expressed deep concern over the decline of the standard of education in the Northeastern Hill University in Shillong. Speaking to the media after meeting the NEHU's Vice-Chancellor, the PDF General Secretary Auspicious Lingdok Mauplang said, NEHU, which once earned the reputation as one of the top universities in India, has now been ranked in the 90th position among other universities in India. Lingdok Mauplang attributed the decline in the quality of education as the centre is yet to fill up the 65 vacant posts of professors and assistant professors. He said, the centre is yet to fill up the various posts of non-teaching staff and other posts for workers belonging to the different categories of work. He, however, said that the present Vice-Chancellor is very positive in his approach and has assured them that he will try to address this problem at his level.
Ya kan ika jing pelakor ke jongpi jing untuk paling kuat bah lah ya poi kumni ti kan ika press briefing ni ka chanmet ka dei nak banta bangin semua sepi ka badai baka jing kenduk ke jongi batu vice chancellor jong ka NEHU u profesor Prabhashankar Shukla uba na try pi la yo ka jing tep dari vice chancellor barang si banai menta ka jing lenti ke jong u bat ka NEHU te kum ka party hi nadu gini kisnam dulu adab ni judan ki jing kenduk bat ki vice chancellor ki barem man address si shibun ki jingye ki ba ngiyoi ka ba lakta shisha ya ki samla puli jong ni ka jela ka jongi but om dei tangi ki samla puli jong ka jela megalaya ndrei ya ki samla puli jong ni ka north east region hi borok koi ti ha ka jingya kendu ka jongi hende ka sngi bat u vc jong ka NEHU ngiyo ban ikran ni ka tu ka ni teliki mat ki ba ni skodei ya ka ban ra ban tu sngau shu bat ban yo jing shairu te ka wei ka mat ka baning kong ka bangiyo ban hikran kalong ha ka bai dei bat ki post jong ki nong hikai teaching staff bat ki post jong ki wei pat ki bom dei ha ka benta ka jing hikai nei kita ki non teaching staff ki ba kat kum ki notification ki bangiyo NEHU ha gini kisnam dul adab nadu snam arjar khan nyau kum tu terter hadu benta ki mi ka wei ka notification hadin ka wei ka notification ban khot application ye ki bobon tli ki post upon NEHU na ka benta ki post professor bat assistant professor Haus nama arja khanyo ngiyoi yang notification ka ba kanihu ka penmi ka ba lakot application na ka benta san phunriu tli ki post na ka benta ki ka post professor but assistant professor den rei kaniru ka syukut kumto lampoi sunu tipi iru hagini kisnam tu adab ki don ki post ka ba ki khot na ka benta ki non teaching staff den rei ka turu ka syukut kumto te ha ka bai de bakani ka benta ngilayo bani kran bat UVC namar ba habangi lapen sngo syau ha ka bai de bat ka jinghiar jong university nomor lada pipet kat kum ka bat kat kum ka NIRF ranking jong university dangshen hi ba ka NIRF kla rang ya kan NEHU ka hiar dam yang dak si point menta ka rang ha ka kerdan ka bakhandai po ha kat kum ka jingdon jigi institution ha po kari India hi bor kowe te kalong ka bos ngosi ba ka NEHU haus nam arhajar khandriu ha ka por ba ka NIRF kadang le ya ranking ka ningkong ka NEHU ka don ha ka kerdan ka bakhatsan tenrei kowe ka snam hadin kowe ka snam ka hiar bet 10 points ti menta ka don ha ka kerdan ka bakhandai po ka balak ta sikat de ki samla puli jong ni ka jela ka jongi bat ki don sibun ki daw ki ba penlong ya ka jing hiar jong university te kowe ne kini ki daw ka de ka jing bom dan jong ki no hikai ha ki bapon ki department ya ki no hikai ha kini ki department be per po NEHU pinyo i ba.
The Ministry of Himalayan in charge of markets, Kelang State, today informed the reopenings of markets at Umsning, Umden, Nongpo and Umroi in Ribhoi district from the 1st of October. He disclosed this after the meeting which was held with the members of Umsning Market Committee, in which other representatives of Himalayan were also present. The headman of Umsning Proper B said that the reopening of markets is done following instructions from the Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner, where people will have to strictly adhere to health protocols issued by the state government.
Umsning, Umden, Umroi. Yang kali sedang na Umsning apa? Historik. Menteri menunggu. Menteri menunggu terus tuh menunggu utam. Nama tak kayu kanam kan bikin burung hidup itu bah tak mungkin pada hari itu pada yang singgah maka kemudian di tempat apa di hari itu di sekretari atau komiti kamar komiti Muslim kan ini maka dapat kumka notification dan ka order ka paai na kalian jong ka Deputy Commissioner jong Riboy District kan retrik jong li benai September ada we bala ai jingbet bani nak ban plino ya yo tam ni keren harwedi bagi muslim dia mentang asli na kalian ka muslim market COVID-19 management committee hadir mana kalian jong ipaim jong kahima melim ila ai ya ka jingbet ha ba limbang undertaking ba nakalian kahima para syemti ban pendiam ban pembet ban penyak ya renti ya kajin lino ya bio hako boy bro mentang asli ha ka bede ba kini meeting jong komiti nilai syok perkat ba min sedang kumakong chairman ba kayo muslim min sedang nadu ka shitarik jong benai oktober arja atwe jekani ke komiti ka kerpat kabanikong ya baro kinong syong dukan kinong syong yo jong yo muslim ka bahap so ka hima melim la kerpat ya ki bakin sobha banwan ra ya ka certificate hak baide bat ka vaccination baro kinong syong dukan kinong syong yo jadi basa kinong ra ya ka certificate bantu sisa bakila ai ya ketika nang mana kalian ke komiti nila pane ya kemudian kam bantu banwanta istikan kabe day bat vaccination bat jong baru langsung bukan de lakar paru nak kalian ke komiti ya kinong songyo bakinya le tak bala ban berhenti ya ka SOP nani ka jingbet hak nak kalian beserta kata kalon kabawan kinong wan thit jingthit kinong bi bat kinong wan thit jingthit kin sobha banden ya kata tamas bat kat bala bandele khoi dia suba banantan ke jingbia pathan hakim ti besukin kata kadi ke jing tempat na komiti ban ke jing tempat na komiti kalau ba ya kinong wan yo pa ba kinong wan yo baro kin sobha banyeden ya tamas bat kunjuru bandele kat bala banamilum ya lum brum than ayo ha.
Riboy United FC defeated Rinti FC by 2-1 at the football-friendly match held at Madan Kurkalang in Riboy district yesterday. The well-contested match was graced by the MLA of Umsning constituency Jason Maulong, leaders of Riboy United like Bipul Thankyu, Ferdinand Karkamni, Louis Starlingdo and others.
Mapithol jai Pitrishtam Pimilan Nekna Pinyo Pet so to Majino Lada Kade football Nakala de Hakanukan sports but P by Kibadon Hame Kadi Nuksan Ilu by each Kanukan sports Yelena Shimka Nuksan player but no Ya Chakman but I Kubreru Yakariboy United Nayat Ba Kariboy United Nangeru Ilang Kishakman Nandro Nagapi ba nakapost ka po in yo man organize kung ito ano yung pair pagkalong may kung mga jukran galing sa urong ba habang i-organize hindi mag-isusapot ang hadyo hindi naman ang yak sa kamat tingnan ay kung dahil kulong yung parokad yung banang hamne ki prolog media yung banang hamne ki referee ki linesman parokad ki prolog ki parajor ki bayasandan parinig ba karindi sport club habang pilit participation sa Bangalore kirma ko yak kamat lo pili belong ki sportsmanship na ikata kaburong ko or sa state ngayon nga, imbo ka ding bay, imbo ibi. Kata good luck. Nakaliang yung Kariboy, nakaliang city brokoy. But you will come out in flying colors. Tingamet pa kaling ka exhibition match. Piniprolong. Iyo man pimi na matabang inirap ng sport club. But kajintan yung asyam ng siyang hakili nga John Mid. Na may kanjong na mga brokoy na sutok kila pa man tayo kaging magansam. Request si President ni coach ni manager ba nakalian jong nga kung taon nung weekmat sa kanila Henry Bayi kadon kay kasi ay nalada ka ni game makaliyo kata hirap yung people village po kanyo naday ibadet ibahe kaya nga nagmisil makapuloy mga pa ko kiyo sakmat pagkaskil hibra koy kan po sakmat kulay siya no.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.